Breaking news, the Prime Minister of Israel, Netanyahu, sent a New Year message to Nigeria. Yesterday, this time around, he keep on mentioning Nigeria. He said that the killing of Christians in Nigeria must stop. That this is the final warning. And this time around, that he is not going to allow only America to take action, that Israel will defend Christians in Nigeria. And do you all know that this man have anger issue? And once he speak, he take action. The action of America last time was just too small, because if Israel take action by themselves, it's going to be disastrous. Now, watch the video.
There are some people who believe that, that faith should be silent and terrorism should be understood. No. Faith should speak its voice, and terrorism should be confronted, not understood, confronted and defeated. And that is what we're engaged in right now. So I want you to know that I spoke with President Trump yesterday. I said this publicly too. I see the battle against us and the battle against our Judeo-Christian tradition. They go to Europe, they go to the United States, they go to Africa, Nigeria. And we are conscious of the fact that Christians are being persecuted across the Middle East, in Syria, in Lebanon, in Nigeria, in Turkey, and beyond. Beleaguered communities who deserve our help. Just as you are helping us, we want to help back. And we're capable of doing that. In Africa with intel, in the Middle East with a lot of means that I won't itemize each one. But this is what our agenda is. It's the main part of our agenda, and it's going to continue with greater force and greater might in this coming year.